It all started with a man and a truck. In 1934, Eldon C. Stutsman opened a feed store on the farm where he would one day raise his family. Over the years, the business grew, eventually moving to our current headquarters in Hills, Iowa. And 80 years later, we're still family-owned. As Eastern Iowa's largest supplier of agriculture products, we're proud to serve the planet's most productive people. We're more than a warehouse. We're a partner our customers can trust to deliver. For crop inputs and agronomy services, precision equipment solutions, grain handling systems, animal nutrition and waste handling equipment, and a trucking company that goes the distance. With 10 locations, we're located just around the corner from our customers, in Eastern Iowa and throughout the Midwest. With a knowledgeable team, we're equipped to help you make the best decisions for your operation. Let's grow together.